guys, welcome back to Hello English Cork. Today I will teach you how to use reach, arrive and get to. To reach means to arrive at a place, especially after spending a long time or a lot of effort travelling. We finally reach the hotel just after midnight. It is not normally used with a preposition, and it is not normally used with here or there. Arrive is to arrive at a place, especially at the end of a journey. It was dark by the time we arrived at the station. Also, you arrive at a building or part of a building. We arrived at the theatre just as the play was starting. You can arrive in a town, city or country. When did you arrive in Cork? But you arrive home or here or there, so no preposition is used. We arrived home yesterday. We arrived there at 6 p.m. Get or get to means to reach or arrive at a place. If you get to the hotel before us, just wait at reception. You can also get home, get here, get there, which is used without to. What time does he normally get home? I hope you enjoyed our lesson today, and please like, share and subscribe. Happy learning. See you next time. Bye.